Hey guys, Tony here, and today I want to show you how I find Earth-like planets in No Man's Sky. So by Earth-like planets, we're talking about a lush planet, okay, that has clear weather, it has blue atmosphere, blue water, and green grass. Okay, in the background we can see an example of this. You can tell the atmosphere color if you look at the edge around the rim of the planet. You can see the reflection of the sun emits a color on the atmosphere, and this will happen with any planet, any biome, irradiated, fire, Arctic. You can always tell the atmosphere color from space by looking at the rim of the planet when being reflected, being in direct sunlight. On the so as long as it's in direct sunlight, you will be able to see the atmosphere color. You can see in the bottom of the planet that it's in shadow, so you cannot see that atmosphere color. But yeah, that's a nice tip so that you can see all the three major color regions from space without having to waste time landing on the planet. But now let me show you how I find them. What rules I use when I'm searching in the galactic map. So let's get to the ship, which is right here, and open the galactic map. Okay, but before we open the galactic map, I want to show you the discovery log for this system. Okay, this system is a blue system, or a spectral class O, and it's a indium, or you can think about it a indium system, right? A system that has indium. um, but normally, okay, you would be looking. We have just opened the galactic map. Normally, you would be encouraged to look in yellow systems, all right? And this is correct, this is accurate if you want to find lush planets, okay? Lush planets are going to be more common in yellow systems, but we're not just trying to find any lush planet, we're trying to find Earth-like planets, and this means that it has to have blue atmosphere and blue oceans, and thirdly, green grass. Okay, so two out of the three color regions that we need have to be blue. And how planet color region calculation works in No Man's Sky is the likelihood is influenced by the star system. Okay, so if you're looking for yellow skies, yellow water, yellow grass, go into yellow star systems. If you're looking for red in the atmosphere, in the water, in the grass, go into red systems. If you're looking for blue, in case of an Earth-like planet, search in blue systems. Okay, because that the system's color will influence the likelihood of the atmosphere inheriting the star's color. Okay, it will be more likely. In blue systems, blue atmosphere and blue water is more likely. So therefore, we already have the system helping us find blue water and blue atmosphere. We only need to randomly generate the green as well. So using this principle, I was able to find this planet that I just showed you. Okay, let's open the log again. It's the single planet in this system. It is not a good economy. It's a two-star economy. All right, and but in 1 hour's time, and all I did was start jumping between indium systems. Okay, the second tip that it's gonna help you is to search close to your galactic center. I'll show you. If you look up here in the top left corner, you'll see that we're only 3,270 light years away from the galactic center. If I rotate the camera and find the galactic center, we can see that we're just right at the edge. Okay, there's no more stars at this point. We're at the edge of the habitable systems. Okay, so that what happens is close to the galactic center of any galaxy, it doesn't matter what type of galaxy it is, you will find rare planets, including purple planets, okay, rare, exotic, mega exotic planets. The Twilight Forest that we showed is it was found close to the galactic center. The galactic center not only will spawn rare planets, but it'll also spawn them in abundance. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of clusters of star systems like this one right here. And when you find one of these, you can just start hopping. If you don't really care about the economy, all you want to find is an Earth-like planet, start jumping between blue systems. As you can see, they have plenty of planets, and they can also have water. But I found one in one that had only one planet. So having one planet didn't stop me from jumping into it. As long as it has water, I'll try it. I'll jump into it and see if it has a lush planet, and I can already without I showed you earlier in the earlier video how to inspect the planet, how to see if it's lush. I can see the atmosphere color, I can see the ocean color, I can see the grass color from space without having to land. If you scan it, then you can see if it has weather by say extreme weather. If it has activated indium, it would have extreme weather. So as long as it has just indium or copper or cadmium or emerald without the prefix activated, it's not a prefix, but you know the word activated beforehand, then you're fine. It's gonna be a good weather. The other thing is sentinels. If sentinels are not listed, is a low sentinel activity. If there's a red text that says aggressive sentinels, then you might want to keep looking. But I will save it because you just found an Earth-like planet. If it has aggressive sentinels, you can just always keep looking for more. But that's how I find. That's as simple as it is to find Earth-like planets. Okay, the so you don't have to go to a lush galaxy. You don't have to spend time in. You can do this method in Euclid. Okay, in the first galaxy that you spawn, you don't have to go to the center. You don't have to finish the mission to go and find the lush galaxy. That's what I did. I wasted a lot of time. I mean, look, I spent days, okay, just playing, getting to the mission, getting to the lush galaxy, and then days traveling from the edge of Asetam, which is this galaxy, the lush galaxy, all the way to the center, all the way to the center, to then start my search for the Earth-like planet in the location that I wanted. Okay, but what happens is that I was searching in yellow systems because the galaxy's lushness or the galaxy type only affects yellow systems. Okay, blue systems, green systems, and red systems are not affected by the galaxy type. They will consistently in any galaxy have the same odds of spawning a lush planet, an irradiated planet, but they will still always affect the color. They will affect the colors of the planets that they spawn. For example, blue systems will have more likelihood of spawning blue atmosphere, blue water, blue grass. All right. So therefore, you can search in Euclid near the center of Euclid. I would suggest exclusively blue systems, disregard the economy. I would suggest populated systems because as long as you have a populated system, you can install a trade terminal in your. This is not. You can install a trade terminal and it'll work. But if I were to find a planet here and settle in this blue system that's uninhabited, then all the trade terminal, there's no trade station, so you have to build a teleporter or else warp out. And also your trade terminals will not work on in a base, in a freighter, there's no trade station. So and there's not going to be any bases, buildings to explore. So you find your planet and all you have to do is build a base because the planet it's absolutely uh, abandoned, or not even abandoned, just uninhabited. So I recommend inhabited blue systems. Any economy really, any conflict, don't worry about the conflict. And then just jump. Don't even uh, what a tip you can do is also look in the background of the galaxy. Notice that the galaxy background is turning purple right now. That means that this area has an abundance of blue and red system because red plus blue is purple. So the galaxy color background will change depending on the amount of star systems of that color. So look for a blue background. Like I'm aiming now, it's starting like blue green. It's gonna start turning blue green, but you can look for blue gas clouds in the galaxy, and that will help you find an abundance of blue systems. Kind of like here, it would be good. Look, there's a lot of blue systems out here that we could start searching for a Earth-like planet, right? So that's in summary. Search for Earth-like planets. Search in blue systems, any economy, any conflict, okay, near your galaxy center. For lush planets, definitely visit. If you want just any lush planet, all right, disregarding the blue color, then definitely visit a lush galaxy like Acetam, or I mean, and go to the galactic center, and then just jump between yellow systems. Yellow systems in a lush galaxy like Acetan will have 4 times the likelihood of spawning a lush system. Let me correct. It's actually twice the likelihood because already in a normal galaxy it's times two. It's times one on a barren galaxy type. The aggressive the dead galaxy type. That you can still find them, but it's gonna be at times one. But yes, so it's times four, but it's twice the normal. It's what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now you know the secret. Don't keep searching in yellow systems, because all you're gonna find is yellow atmosphere, yellow water, yellow grass, and yellow atmosphere is really ugly. So I really I would hate to find the sauropods or a rare place that I want to settle and then it has yellow atmosphere, which has happened. I have just a place like that that has medium-sized sauropods, and but it's yellow. Everything is yellow, and there's no water, and it's hard to stay there more than 30 minutes without noticing how yellow everything is. Okay, so hopefully this helps you find your perfect Earth-like planet like this one. And if it does, please let me know in the comments that you found it. I would really that would be pump me up so much that it actually helped you. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments of future videos to do, future topics, questions that you may have that you want me to address. That would help out. If you like this video, let me just do one thing. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share it with anyone that you think might be interested. And yeah, oh, and there's the coordinates. If you want to visit this system, actually, I'm glad I opened the camera. This and explore this perfect Earth-like planet. Um, but yeah, this is Tony signing out. Have a good one.